So you're here to find the secret behind the chops, or one of the secrets behind the chops. Well, this secret is rather obvious, and it is that you don't have to learn all these complex patterns to play cool chops. You actually just need one pattern, and you need the tools to move it around the kit and to create something cool. Because in the end, it's not about creating all these different patterns. It's about having the tools to create something musically, right? That's what you're here for. So let me show you an example with a pattern that everyone uses. Right, left, left, kick. Cool? Maybe it doesn't really sound interesting to you, but I promise you, if you keep watching, I'll show you how you can actually use this around the kid in a way that it's freaking awesome. Okay, let's dive in. Right, left, left, kick. What I like to do when I work with a new chop is I always go through the same tools. And the first tool is get the pattern down. Well, okay, that's obvious. So when you've got that, start moving only your right hand around the toms. Now, once that feels comfortable, what else can we do? Can we add another layer, like adding a kick whenever my right hand hits a cymbal? Pretty cool, right? Then we can also move our left hand. Let's move that double stroke around to the toms, creating even more melodies and, tension and excitement. All right, so same pattern, right? But lots of different options already. Now, here's what I like to do. When I have a little chop, I add something to it, like a bunch of single strokes. We all play single strokes, and we know the single strokes, right? So it's the easiest thing to actually put into something that we are playing. Let's play 4 single strokes and combine it with the pattern that we already have. So that changes it a little bit. It's nothing special, right? It's just 4 single strokes, but it makes it more interesting when you play it like this. Now, here's another thing that I like to do is add only 2 strokes, meaning I'm just adding another right, left in front of it, and I've created a group of 6 right now. Right, left, left, kick. So it's basically the same chop, but just 2 single strokes in front of it, right? So it's super simple, but very effective. And we're going to walk through the same steps. Moving the right hand, adding a kick, moving our left hand, and there's one extra step that is playing even more dynamic. Because we have 2 extra single strokes, you can now accent those strokes or not. Explore, right? Play this for 5 minutes or 10 minutes and dive into it. And when you find something that works, repeat it, right? Play it again and use it. Now, the next step, of course, is to combine these 2 patterns, right? It's right, left, kick is actually the basis of this chop, right? That's the chop. And we're just adding stuff around it that allows us to create something cool, right? Okay, one more extra bonus step that you can take here is instead of, playing your kick together with your hand, what if we replace right, left? So the second single stroke with a bass drum. Pretty epic, right? And you can expand that by making that longer with your singles between your right hand and your right foot. So pretty awesome, right? Still the same chop, but so many options. Now, here's one last thing is you can play it in 16th notes where it kind of feels that it belongs, right? This or 32nd notes, even like a fast, choppy thing. But what if you play these two patterns in 16-note triplets? Let me give you an example with some music. It's right, left, left kick and right, left, left kick moved around the drum kit in 16-note triplets. All right, now if you like this video, please like and subscribe. I'm happy to have you here. I'm happy you're watching. Let me know in the comments what else you want to see in here. And if you're interested in learning more, look in the description to get my free fill guide where I explain this system of the grouping system, building your own chops, building your own fills, and I go deeper into the system of, being able to create your own stuff instead of randomly copying fills all the time. All right, see you in the next one.